Right, in Scouse, don't pronounce the T. Don't pronounce the T on the ends of words like no, not, no. So don't pronounce the T's on the word of no. So I'm not going to do that. Right, right. You would put the T on the end of right. Right. I'm not going to do that anymore. So like when I'm speaking, I'm trying to think of words like, so if I wanted to go to the toilet, is it just toilet? I'm going to the toilet and I'm not going to be talking about that. All right. I think there's got to be a T on all right. I can give it a go, like, do you know what I mean? I'll try. I will do better. No, you said at the end of the words. So I've got to think of words with a T on the end. But, yeah, but it doesn't matter. That's not in the end of the word. It's hard, isn't it? Trying to, in it. Right, I've got it now. I've got it. I'm not going to do the T's on the ends of words. Thank you very much. If you'd like to share your accent with me, just go to theaccentbank.com and record your voice for me, and then I can listen to it and, practice a bit more. No T. Got it. Thanks.